Okay, good morning 10th class. Then today again I'll explain balancing of chemical equation. Actually that same problem that some students are finding problem in balancing also. So they made special request okay कि मैम प्लीज़ बैलेंसिंग क्या कहते हैं एक बार दोबारा समझा दो. तो अगेन आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग बैलेंसिंग. एक्चुअली मोस्ट ऑफ यू okay many of you don't know how to balance the chemical equation but you don't want to ask. पूछना नहीं है, कौन पूछेगा, मैम सोचेंगे आता ही नहीं है. Okay, but whatever problem you have okay regarding to first second third chapter you can ask okay anytime. You can ask on my personal number, so I'll explain it to you. Okay, now just see in case of balancing of chemical equation, simple balancing of chemical equation in which that number of atoms okay number of atoms on both the side, reacting side as well as product side, okay we have to make number of atoms equal. Agar number of atoms are equal on both the side, left hand as well as right hand side, means reactant as well as product, so it means your reaction is balanced reaction. Okay, now just see that special problem that those students they will find problem in this type of question. Reason is because first of all just see normal name is given and you have to write equation and after that you have to balance it. Okay, तो chemical formula you know थोड़ा सा कुछ और दिमाग भी लगाएंगे. Okay, तो chemical formula just see. तो in this one first of all nitrogen react with oxygen. Okay, when we heat it okay then it gives nitrogen monoxide. So first of all remember one thing, nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen, chlorine, fluorine, they always exist as a diatomic molecule. Di means two. Okay, so just see how to write it. This one is N2, this one is O2. If we heat it, this triangle you know it's a symbol of heat. Upward arrow evolution of, this one is upward arrow evolution of gas. Downward arrow, this one formation of PPT. Okay, AQ it's a aqueous, S solid, L liquid and G it's a gas. Now just see nitrogen plus oxygen then it gives nitrogen monoxide, that one is NO. Okay, now check your first work is, हम step wise कर रहे हैं. Okay, your first work is you have to okay balance metal. Okay, you know metal but just check metal is not present, both are non-metals. Okay, the second thing is after metals you have to balance non-metal. Okay, after that oxygen and at last you have to balance hydrogen. That one is a simple pattern okay that I'll explain today. And those who want that to balance difficult equation and something, so for that I have one trick also. So if you want so you can ask, I'll explain that also if you want, otherwise this one is easy. Okay, now just see in case of this one just see check nitrogen reactant side 2, here nitrogen on product side it's only 1. Okay, so how to convert it into 2, multiply by 2. So simple multiply by 2. Now check again, वापस आ जाए, nitrogen is 2, here also nitrogen is 2. Okay, now check oxygen, here oxygen is 2 and now this one is oxygen is also 2 because this 2 is for whole NO. Okay, so whenever you balance equation you have to write number in front of that particular compound. Okay, तो वहाँ जाएगा. Now second one we have that is methane plus oxygen, it gives carbon dioxide plus water. This one is another point. Whenever methane combine with okay oxygen it always gives carbon dioxide and water, or you can say hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons means in which carbon and hydrogen are present, जिसमें सिर्फ carbon और hydrogen present होते हैं, they are known as hydrocarbons. So whenever hydrocarbon combine with oxygen, they burn with oxygen, so they always give CO2 plus H2O. Now balance it. Methane formula सबको पता होना चाहिए, that one is CH4. Oxygen exists as a diatomic molecule. Now here this one is carbon dioxide, here this one is H2O. Now check कोई भी मेटल नहीं है, सारे नॉन मेटल्स हैं, तो विल फॉलो सेम थिंग. मेटल के बाद नॉन मेटल except oxygen and hydrogen. Now in this one first of all balance carbon. Here carbon is 1, here is also 1, no need to balance. Now second after that nothing is there, oxygen and hydrogen, so first of all balance oxygen. Okay, so oxygen check 1 2, here 1 2 and 3, number of oxygen is 3, here number of oxygen is 2. Okay, तो हम इसे किस टाइप से बैलेंस कर सकते हैं, हिट एंड ट्रायल मेथड. तो सिंपल वी कैन मल्टीप्लाई दिस साइड बाय 2 So now just see, it's a 2 plus 2, 4. Okay, so now this one will also become 4. So multiply this side with 2. So this one is also 4. Now check, carbon is 1, oxygen is 4, here is also 4. Now at last you have to balance hydrogen. So hydrogen is 4. Now here also 2 into 2, that one is 4. The hydrogen is balanced. So it means this equation is also balanced. Okay, so 2 more example I'll explain to you. Okay, done class. Now just see. This one is sodium. Then this one is H2O. Okay, now when sodium react with water, this one is a statement. So first of all, convert it into equation. So Na plus H2O, it gives sodium hydroxide. Na positive, OH negative. Both have one valency. Okay, the formula become NaOH plus hydrogen, diatomic molecule. Now just see, check in this one, that one is sodium is 1, here is also 1, no need to balance. Now here hydrogen is 2, no sorry, after metal you can balance oxygen first, then here oxygen is 1, here is also 1, no problem. Now at last you have to balance hydrogen, but here hydrogen is 2, but here hydrogen is 2 plus 1, it's a 3. Okay, so you have to convert it into even number, because then only you are able to balance it up. Jara se convert kare. Now just see, this one is 3, hit and try. We'll convert it into 4, multiply this side with 2, just see, 2 then 2, 4. Okay, but now hydrogen this side, it's a 4. Okay, and here hydrogen is 2, so multiply this side with 2. Now number of hydrogen is balanced. But now check, because you have multiplied this side, front में multiply किया तो बाकी भी change हुए हैं. Okay, so now check, hydrogen is balanced, oxygen is 2, here is also 2, but sodium this side 2, here it's 1. Okay, so you have to multiply this side also with 2. Okay, done. Now after that, next one is barium chloride plus sulfuric acid. Barium, BaCl2, chlorine is 1, barium is plus 2. Okay, so BaCl2 plus sulfuric acid, formula you have to learn, that is H2SO4. Okay, then it gives BaSO4 plus HCl. Now check, here barium is 1, here is also 1. After that, chlorine, here chlorine is 2, here chlorine is 1. So you have to multiply this side with 2. Now check again, barium 1, 1, chlorine 2, this side is also 2, balanced. After that, sulfur, now sulfur is 1, this side is also 1. Okay, no need to balance. Now after that, oxygen, this one is a pattern, oxygen, here it's a 4, here is also 4. At last, balance hydrogen, hydrogen is 2, here is also 2. So it means now your equation is balanced. Simple, you have to multiply this side with 2. So this one is your balancing of equation. Okay, so practice it. I'll send you more question for practice, and even I'll tell you that another pattern also, okay, for balancing, especially that one is will use for what, that one is for tough question या जो थोड़ा सा complicated होता है, but you can use that method for this also. वो कभी गलत नहीं हो सकता. Okay, but your calculation is required. Okay, thank you guys.